Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Elastic APM alert notifications, full guide step by step clearly. Navigate to the Elastic APM dashboard. Select the application for which you want to set up alert notifications. Click on the Alerts section in the left-hand menu. Choose Create Alert to start the process. Select the type of alert you wish to configure from the available options. Define the conditions for your alert, such as response time or error rates. Set the threshold values that will trigger the alert. Next, decide how you want to receive the alerts. You can choose email, Slack, or webhook notifications. If you select email, enter the recipient's email addresses in the provided field. For Slack, you will need to provide the webhook URL. If you opt for webhooks, enter the appropriate URL where notifications should be sent. Customize the message format if necessary. Review your alert settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. Once satisfied, click on the Save button to create your alert. Your alert is now set up, and you will receive notifications according to your specified criteria. To manage existing alerts, return to the Alerts section anytime. You can edit or delete alerts as needed from this section. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.